Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be demonstrating how to make an easy and affordable peach cobbler. Before we start off the video, hit that subscribe button below. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need a large can of peaches, real butter or margarine. Sugar doesn't matter what sugar you use as long as you have brown sugar to mix with it. Duncan Hines Butter Golden Cake Mix. It has to be butter golden. Then you have ground cinnamon, your nutmeg, allspice, and your vanilla extract. So let's get started. You want to start off with your canola oil spray and spray the pan that you're going to be using. Pour your can of peaches into the pan. Make sure you keep the syrup inside of it. You don't want to drain it. Now you want to cut up your peaches to make them a little bit smaller so when you put the cake mix on top, it's a nice and smooth surface. Now you want to add in your vanilla extract, your allspice, your ground cinnamon, and lastly, your nutmeg. Now you want to add in your sugar. It doesn't matter what sugar you use, as long as you use brown sugar. Now you just want to mix everything together so all the flavor can get into the peaches. Now you want to take your cake mix and pour it all over the top. Even though it looks like a lot, you just want to pour everything in there because that's the whole purpose of it. It gives you a nice good thick crust. Now you want to spread it out evenly so it's nice and flat for the butter. Now you want to take your margarine, or if you're using butter, take your butter and put it on top. You want to break your butter or margarine into very small pieces. It doesn't matter which way you do it, you just want to make sure the butter is on top of the cake mix or the margarine is on top of the cake mix and it's evenly spread out. So all the butter is on, this is how it should look like. This is the finished product after being in the oven for 20 minutes at 425. If you enjoyed this video or you ended up making the recipe, give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tune into my next video. Bye!